Imagine standing on a cliff when suddenly thousands of white birds launch into the sky. They circle high above the ocean, searching, waiting. Then, without warning, one folds its wings. It doesn't glide, it doesn't hesitate, it plummets at nearly 100 kilometers per hour. The Cape Garnet becomes a living spare, smashing into the Atlantic Ocean with breathtaking precision. For a split second, the bird disappears beneath waves, chasing fish several meters underwater using its powerful wings. This isn't luck, it's perfection, refined by thousands of years of practice. The Cape Garnet's streamlined body, air-filled sacs beneath its skin, and reinforced skull protect it from the impact that would seriously injure most other birds. Every dive is a calculated gamble. Miss the fish and the precious energy is wasted. Hit the target and it's another meal to feed a hungry chick waiting back on the cliffs. But life isn't easy. Around every feeding frenzy lurks hungry sharks, playful but powerful seals, and fierce seabirds eager to steal an easy catch. Even on land, overcrowded nesting colonies mean every inch of space is worth fighting for. Their spectacular dives are among the most dramatic hunting displays on Earth. A breathtaking reminder that nature's greatest hunters don't always have claws or teeth. Sometimes they simply know when to fall. The next time you think of ocean's deadliest predators, remember the Cape Garnet, a bird that turns gravity into its greatest weapons. Please, before you go, don't forget to like and follow. But in all their diving skills, they didn't come from the sky. The hand of the Almighty God made them all. Thanks for watching.